Hello YouTube, I'm back with another video. I'm actually on live right now. I'm going to be doing a look, so you know, just sit back, relax, and let's do our makeup together. If you did your makeup with me, please comment down below and let me know. But I'm going to just start out, and I'm going to conceal my lids with the Wet n Wild concealer. I'm just gonna, you know, get these lids together, girl, because they're a mess. First, I'm going to take away my dark circles because, girl, they are there, like very there. The spray I'm using today is the Pixie Glow Mist, and it looks like this. You just gotta give it a good shake. Spray it on like that. Okay, I'm going in with the Maybelline Superstay. My YouTube fam already knows I love this foundation. I don't even need to use like a lot of it. Ooh, I'm getting in my hair. So one there, one here, one there, and one there. And I'm just taking the same brush and I'm just going to smooth that out over my skin. Yo, it's snowstormed where I was, and like the news people were making it seem like it was gonna be like this big snowstorm. It didn't even snow that much. This Maybelline Superstay, a lot of people have like mixed feelings about it, but I actually pretty much like it. The only thing with me and my skin, when I use it, I have to let it sit and oxidize, which is why I do, when I do use that foundation, I put that on first today. So I might just go in with the Wet n Wild. The theme of this palette is called Rose in the Air, and the colors just look like this. YouTube, can you see? I'm gonna not nick the palette. I'm gonna go in with this color right here as my transition color. One thing about this Wet n Wild palette, it has a lot of fallout, but I can't expect too much of it from it because it is it was like $4, so I can't expect that much. Can't expect that much. And I'm going into the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette, the tan color in the BH Cosmetics palette, and just put that all over my lid as well. I'm gonna go in with this. I got this for free for my birthday from NYX, from Ulta, and I got an email that they had a palette waiting for me, and I thought it was very cute. So it just came with these colors in it, and I think I'm gonna go in with this creamy light shade and put that all over my lid. Keep it very neutral light. Stay All Day eyeliner. It looks like this. It was travel size from Ulta, and I'm not even gonna do much. Just A little bit more like that. Alright, you see I'm back. I guess I'm gonna go in with the Age Rewind and Hazelnut. You guys know they drop deeper colors for the darker skinned girls. So let's go ahead and see. You know, I used this in my tutorial yesterday and I actually really liked how it came out. So, and you really don't have to use a lot because it goes a long way. I'm going in with the Wet n Wild contouring palette. I'm taking the banana shade that's in there right here. Like I said, these things have a lot of fallout, but I like the way that they work and they're affordable. So, excuse me, anybody that's starting out, I also have a video on my channel about makeup for beginners. So if you guys are looking for a contour palette and you don't want to spend your cute coin, you can go to your local Walgreens, Target, or Walmart and get you some Wet n Wild. So I'm going in with the Wet n Wild pressed powder. I'm gonna just begin to wipe off that bake here, and we're gonna go in with this color. It's the color Pisces, and let's ice out these inner corners. The Bake Delighter. Yeah, I guess I'll use this. So I'm going in with the e.l.f. Apricot highlighter. And wow, you guys, this highlighter was $2. And look at that. So I'm gonna take the e.l.f. Beauty Shield facial spray and spray my face first, so that while I am, ooh, that is so refreshing. So I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lips. Yeah, I don't ever do red lips like at all. So the fact that I'm even liking this lip, period, it makes me happy because I only spent $6.99 on this. If you guys have a TJ Maxx near you, please go. That's it for the tutorial, you guys on YouTube. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did making it for you. I hope to see you in my next one. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.